In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix HDR not supported in Windows 11. If you've ever gone into your display settings, tried to turn on HDR, and seen a message saying it's not supported, don't worry. In many cases, it's just a configuration issue, and we can walk through a few checks to get things working properly. First, make sure your display actually supports HDR. This usually means you're using an HDR-capable monitor or TV, and that you're connected with the right type of cable, such as a high-speed HDMI or DisplayPort cable. If you're using an older cable or an adapter, HDR might not be available even if your screen supports it. Next, open your Windows 11 settings. You can do this by clicking the Start button and selecting Settings, or by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. Once Settings is open, go to System, and then click on Display. Look for the section called HDR or Use HDR. If Windows detects an HDR-capable display, you should see an option to turn HDR on or off. If you don't see the option, or it's grayed out, scroll down and click on Advanced Display. Here, confirm that you have the correct display selected if you use multiple monitors. Check the resolution and refresh rate. HDR often requires a specific resolution, such as 1920 by 1080 or 4K, and a compatible refresh rate. Try switching to a standard resolution and see if the HDR toggle appears when you go back. While you're in Advanced Display, look at the information about the color bit depth. HDR typically needs a higher bit depth, like 10-bit, and the correct color format. If your graphics driver allows it, use your graphics control panel to set the output to a compatible format. For many systems, that means enabling things like 10-bit color and an RGB or YCbCr format that supports HDR. It's also important to keep your graphics drivers up to date. Outdated drivers can cause Windows to misreport HDR support. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's software or website and install the latest driver for Windows 11. Then restart your computer and check the HDR settings again. Finally, some monitors and TVs have their own HDR settings in the on-screen menu. Use the buttons on your display to open its menu, and make sure any HDR or HDMI enhanced modes are enabled. After adjusting these, return to Windows settings, refresh the display page, and try toggling HDR once more.